So hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial I'll show you how to create a perfect heart shake for your edits. So take a look at the preview and let's get started.
I'm vengeance.
So okay, open After Effects and ready your clips and make sure it's match the beats with perfect sync. And select the layer, create a new adjustment layer. And adjust the adjustment layer throughout the clip, either it's a 2 second or 5 second. You have to add the adjustment layer throughout the clip. Okay, then add the twitch, set a keyframe for amount 180, then speed 30. Okay, come forward 10 to 15 frames, then make it 0. Then select both keyframes, easy ease, then copy my graph. Okay, now we have a twitch, so let's enable some more options: blur, light, and slide. Okay, and we have to enable one more thing. Go to slide and we will add some slide directional effect. So add a keyframe for slide direction and set a keyframe for 22. Then come forward 3 frames, make sure it's only 3 frames. Okay, it needs to be perfect. Then minus 85, then again come forward 3 frames, plus 85. Okay, now we have a smooth slide directional effect. Okay, now we next add shake. Yes, shake. Okay, set the frequency to 5 and amplitude to 0.1. Okay, then add S flicker and set the random frequency to 20. Okay, now we add exposure. Okay, add the keyframe for exposure and set it to 1 and move forward some frames and set it to 0 and again move forward and set like something 0.5. Do the same thing throughout the clip. Why we are doing this? Cause it will create a perfect flicker effect for the shake. So yeah, it will look good. And now we have a perfect perfect shake effect, but still there is something missing. So select the main layer, not the adjustment layer. Select the main layer and add a blur more curve effect and set a keyframe for the distance and come end of the clip and set it to something like 0.85. Select the both clips and easy ease and copy my graph. Okay, select the keyframe and move some frame forward. Okay, now we add motion tile for the clip, not for the adjustment. Okay, adjustment layer I mean. Okay, and set the width and height 200 and check the box mirror edges. Yeah, we are done now. We have a smooth hard shake effect. So yeah, we are done now. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more tutorials and free assets. So take a look at the final edit now.
You don't care about your family's legacy.
What I'm doing is my family's legacy. I don't care what happens to me.
I'm vengeance.